Most people know stem cell therapy for joint pain, but research shows its potential goes far beyond that. Stem cells are unique cells that may support healing by reducing inflammation, promoting tissue repair, and helping damaged areas recover. Instead of acting like a single cure, stem cells work through multiple mechanisms, supporting the body's own healing response. Research suggests that stem cells may support nerve repair, reduce neuroinflammation, and improve blood supply in certain neuropathy cases. In early stages, regenerative approaches are being explored to support bone healing, enhance circulation, and potentially delay major surgery. Mesenchymal stem cells are studied for their immunomodulatory effects, helping balance overactive immune responses and support tissue repair. For patients seeking non-surgical options, regenerative medicine is being studied for its potential to support disc health and reduce inflammation. Stem cells may release growth factors that promote angiogenesis, improve circulation, and support healing in complex wounds. Regenerative medicine organizations in India are focusing on patient education and evidence-based guidance to help individuals explore advanced cellular therapies responsibly. As an India-based regenerative medicine organization, Viezec focuses on helping patients understand advanced therapeutic options through education, consultation, and personalized guidance. Viezec emphasizes patient-specific evaluation, evidence-informed regenerative strategies, clear communication of potential benefits and limitations,